नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज न्यू वैकेंसी लेकर के आए हुए हैं। वैकेंसी है पोजीशन डिजाइन कोऑर्डिनेटर, इलेक्ट्रिकल का QC इंजीनियर, HVAC इंजीनियर, HVAC फैब्रिकेटर, प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर PMP सर्टिफाइड, प्रोटेक्शन इंजीनियर का QC इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, SCADA इंजीनियर, सेकेंडरी डिजाइन, सीनियर प्लानिंग इंजीनियर, साइट मैनेजर, सिस्टम टेक्नीशियन, Technician Electrical, Testing and Commissioning Engineer, Transformer Engineer, Recruitment to Saudi Arabia, Substation Construction Project. Candidates having bachelor's degree with electrical substation, GIS, up to 400 kilovolts. Benefits provided by company, salary for 6K to 10,000 Saudi Riyals. Next vacancy, Electrical Technician 3,500 Saudi Riyals. Warehouse Technician, 3,000 Saudi Riyals. Forklift Operator 1,875 Saudi Riyals. Inventory Controller, 2,000 Saudi Riyals. HSE Officer 3,500 Saudi Riyals. Operation Supervisor, 5,000 Saudi Riyals. Administrator 2,000 Saudi Riyals. Planner 3,500 Saudi Riyals. Project Coordinator 2,000 Saudi Riyals. Machine Operator 2,500 Saudi Riyals. Liquid Filling Operator 2,500 Saudi Riyals. Reach Stacker Operator 2,200 Saudi Riyals. Maintenance Supervisor 7,000 Saudi Riyals. Maintenance Planner 3,500 Saudi Riyals. Instrument Technician 3,500 Saudi Riyals. Mechanical Technician 3,500 Saudi Riyals. Jadara Company Saudi Arabia vacancies, free recruitment. Walk-in interview on the 10th of June 2024 at Chennai. Send your updated CV and desired candidate profile. Should have experience in their relevant field, age below 40 years. Benefits provided by company. Accommodation provided by company. Next vacancy, HSE Officer 500 Omani Riyals. Supervisor 400 Omani Riyals. Planning Engineer 325 Omani Riyals. Quality Inspector 300 Omani Riyals. Structural Foreman 230 Omani Riyals. Detailer and Quantity Surveyor, 300 Omani Riyals. Structural Supervisor 260 Omani Riyals. Hydraulic Mechanic 225 Omani Riyals. Tube Fitter, Fitter 140 Omani Riyals. Lubricators, Mechanics 130 Omani Riyals. Rigger 125 Omani Riyals. Mechanical Helper 110 Omani Riyals. Structural Fabricator 180 Omani Riyals. Structural Fitter 160 Omani Riyals. 6G Arc Welder 180 Omani Riyals. Grinder 140 Omani Riyals. Gas Cutter 140 Omani Riyals. MIG Welder 180 Omani Riyals. Driller 140 Omani Riyals. Desired candidate profile. Above all, candidates qualified in respective discipline and having relevant experience in similar industry need to apply. Next vacancy, Network Technician 1,800 Saudi Riyals. Audio, Video Technician, 1,800 Saudi Riyals. Security Control System Technician 1,800 Saudi Riyals. CCTV Technician 1,800 Saudi Riyals. ELV Engineer 5,000 Saudi Riyals. TV Technician 1,800 Saudi Riyals. Firefighting Technician 1,800 Saudi Riyals. Electrical Supervisor 2,700 Saudi Riyals. Mechanical Supervisor 2,700 Saudi Riyals. Civil Supervisor 2,700 Saudi Riyals. Chemist 2,700 Saudi Riyals. Desired candidate profile. Candidates must have minimum 4 to 5 years experience. Indian experience also accepted. Candidates must have diploma or relevant qualification. Age limit 23 to 40 years. Next vacancy, Fire Alarm Technician 2,500 United Arab Emirates Dirhams. Firefighting Technician 2,500 United Arab Emirates Dirhams. Fire Pump Technician 2,000 United Arab Emirates Dirhams. Urgently required for Dubai. Walk-in interview on the 12th of June 2024 at Trichy. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Indian or Gulf experience accepted. ECNR passport accepted. Benefits provided by company. 08 hours duty plus OT plus accommodation provided by company.